tū ki te rangi, kai a koe te wā. Kia au, kia matāla. Tunga! Today's challenge, Te Rakau, is underway. An exercise combo that requires dexterity and coordination.
Today's challenge was pretty good. Put a wrist and squatting action. So either shoulders in, the waiwai took a bit of a hammering.
There are 4 key moves to exercise the arms.
Oh, I didn't really think that it was that hard, but it was just all up in the head. Making coordination was the key.
It doesn't take long before the first toa shows signs of relinquishing the challenge.
Mawari nei te wero nei. Hoi anō, I taku taunga atu ki roto, ka whewua ke. Nā reira aku tōku hine ngaro, ka whati katoa hia. Hoi anō, hoi ara tāku.
Reweti is a sure fighter for today, the first contender.
Ino ati au ki oku tupuna kia awhina mai.
Te mea tino whakawero ngia kia au, te mea hiki peke ki runga ki raro. Mamai rawa ki oku wai wai.
Well, it was a bit hard for me, today's challenge, because I've never done it before, But I managed to make it, make it through to the second one down.
Wai roa ki tērā ki te runga ki tau āku ako e ki te tahi atu. Tino nui taku mene pēa. Karau e taia ki te haere ki te whawhai a te pōne. E rangi he mea aroha ki tau kua reuti. Nō rere ki ringi tau whakaro anō. Tino wai mari ai.
The longer we went, the faster we had to go. So you just had to stay sharp and keep those muscles intact along with the ha. That was your timing, so yeah, wasn't easy.
What starts out to be somewhat easy soon gets harder and harder for the toa.
I thought I could stay in there a bit longer, but the coordination wasn't working with me. Working with the tinana, so it's a drop out.
7 of the 12 continue with the challenge.
Saw them go down in numbers, but I was going there to win that challenge. Unfortunately, the challenge was hard.
Hoi mo te hine naro me te tinana hoki.
5 toa remain. Who will win today's challenge of Te Rakau? Today's challenge, Te Rakau.
The longer we went, the more sore the body got with the shoulders. O mai taku pukohiwi, the hine ngaro, you had to stay sharp.
A test of toa dexterity and coordination.
Yeah, Te Rakau, difficult to stay down in Paporonuku, as I saw some of the competitors cheating because they couldn't get back down again.
Tere, tū ki te rangi, the kaiwawa, ensures that the remaining toa keep to a steady pace.
E mahi ua ki te maumahara, te whiua o te Te Rakau. Kare au I te tino mōhio ki te raumahi.
Maybe I think I overshot myself because I think I was humbled by the Te Rakau. Because I said, Te Rakau, he, mai ngā wari noi ho. Nā, kare kau, hi ngā hau, hingi kaitua.
With the remaining 3 toa, the challenge soon takes its toll.
Tirako slipped out of my hands, so had to go down. But yeah, I was lucky enough to be one of the top 3 left remaining.
There is now a good contest between Owena and Anaru. A slip of the Tirako and Anaru wins today's challenge.
Te aro tahi, kara whiu I te rai te tīrākau, ki te tāmatau, ki te tāmau, ki ngā taho te tinana, tahi ka tūpirunga, ka toro atu ngā ringa ki te rangi.